guys, what's up? We're here at Land of Legends Raceway. It's been a long day. Got here, everything was looking good. The rain had moved out, it came back. Delayed the start of hot laps till, boy, it's probably 8:30 now at least. Kudos to all the drivers. A lot of these cars had never been on the racetrack yet this year, and they got them all dirty for us. Yeah, it's actually after 9 now. So we got a couple hot lap clips before we head out. We got a lot for you today. But again, kudos to all these drivers. Got these cars all muddy, cleaned them off, brought them back out. And there wasn't even any purse involved, so good job. That's the reason why I'm fans of all you guys. So 305 sprints, which will be here weekly. They will be here in a non-point format this coming Saturday because CRSA actually has a race at Thunder Mountain. I believe it's the first race of the series, but do not quote me on that. I'll also have Mike Emoff, President, and Marty Sakella. Kayla, I get confused now, Marty, sorry. I'll have them on later this week to talk about that stuff. So, but they're gonna go green here, and there they go. Hot laps, the Land of Legends, first ones of the year. There's the yellow. Subscribe, turn on the notifications. We're going to stick around for a couple more hot lap sessions and we're going to call it a day. And a long one here at Land of Legends Raceway. But again, kudos to all the drivers packing this track. They packed it for a long time. And they spent a lot of money on diesel here today too to pack that track. So hats off to each and every one of you here today at Land of Legends Raceway. Seriously.